Hi, welcome to my channel. Did you know that the numbers 520 are used to express I love you as the pronunciation of the two phrases is similar in Chinese? It was initially celebrated by the young generation, but now the parents' generation is joining in, or using a day as an opportunity to send gifts and messages to their loved ones. This year, the day, May 20, 2020, may be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Now, in this video, follow me to write 2020, May 20. 爱你，爱你，我爱你 in Chinese characters. 爱你，爱你，我2020, May 20. Well, feel free to send the codes to your loved ones. Wish you all the best. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.